Hello. Hi, this is your favorite grandpa. Let's start with our new topic about finance. Mutual funds look confusing, right? But in India, they actually come in just three main types. Let's make it simple. All mutual funds are grouped into equity funds, debt funds, and hybrid funds. Each one suits a different kind of investor. So equity funds invest mostly in company shares, at least 65%, as per CB rules. They give high returns over time, but they're risky in the short term. Perfect for goals that are 5 years or longer. And debt funds lend your money to companies or governments through bonds and fixed income securities. They offer steady, safer returns and are great for short-term goals or emergency money. You know, in 2025, Indian investors poured over 4.17 lakh crore rupees into equity funds alone, proving mutual funds are still a favorite. So, equity, debt, or hybrid, which fits you best? Comment. Yes, and Grandpa will help you choose wisely. Thank you. Bye-bye.